Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using JAMOVI. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to perform Durbin-Watson statistic to detect autocorrelation. So let's start with the idea of autocorrelation. Now, what do we mean by autocorrelation? When two error terms are correlated with each other in the regression model, we have the problem of autocorrelation. And in the presence of autocorrelation, the regression coefficients are not based. And therefore, we need to check whether we have the problem of autocorrelation in our regression model. And for that, we use Durbin-Watson test. Now, what is the null hypothesis in Durbin-Watson test? H naught says that there is no autocorrelation. H naught means no autocorrelation. And alternative hypothesis says that we have the problem of autocorrelation. So it is presence of autocorrelation. Now let's see how to perform Durbin-Watson test in JAMOVI. So you go to analysis. In analysis, we have the option of regression. So go to regression and select linear regression. Now here I have the hypothetical data of three variables: wage rate, education, and experience. So wage rate is our dependent variable, and education and experience are our independent variables, and therefore we have multiple linear regression model setup. So this is the outcome of multiple linear regression model. So you go to model fit and select F test. So therefore we have R square, then we have F statistic and associated p-value, and here we have the regression coefficients with p-values. You can check my video on multiple linear regression model on how to interpret this outcome. Now let's see how to find whether we have autocorrelation problem. So here we have the option of assumption checks. In assumption checks, we have autocorrelation test. So you select this and you can see the result here. So this is Durbin-Watson statistic. The value is 1.83 and associated p-value is 0.652. Now, since this value is greater than 0.05, we fail to reject null hypothesis. And therefore, we can conclude that there is no problem of autocorrelation in this regression model. So this is how we perform the Durbin-Watson test in JAMOVI. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.